How can I sync my monthly calendar with my daily tasks? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new event in Google Calendar, and then we'll be taking the details from that event and adding them to a new task in Todoist. All right, let's make a workflow. So we're going to start, as always, at the Workload editor, and we'll give our workflow a title. This is going to be Google Calendar to Todoist. And we're going to start by picking a trigger. So we'll click on our trigger box, and we'll search for Google Calendar. And our event is going to be New Event. We'll click Continue. Make sure we're connected to our Google Calendar account. And then we're going to choose the calendar that we want this trigger to monitor. So this is going to be our test calendar. So whenever a new event is created in our test calendar, that's going to initiate this workflow. Click Continue. And then test the trigger. And it found a new event. So we can use this event to build our workflow. So I'm going to click Continue. And then for our action, we're going to pick Todoist. And the action is going to be create a new task. Click Continue. Make sure we're connected to our Todoist account. So now I'm going to import information from my trigger. So I'm going to click inside of the title box and come to our drop-down menu. And we'll take the name of the event from Google Calendar, which is called the summary. So massage hamster. And then we'll add some more details here in the title. So that will be, say, semicolon, and then the description, gentle yet firm. And the location is at the rodent salon. And then the due date, we'll make the start time. So start date and time. So we'll select the project. We'll say this is personal. And then we'll click Continue. And we'll test the action. And we have a success. So I can come down to the bottom and click Continue here. And then I can look over at Todoist. We can look in our personal folder. We can see that that task has been added. So it looks like our workflow was a success. So you can jump back over to the workload editor, check and make sure there's a green dot in the corner of each of our nodes. And then we can activate our workflow by turning it on. And now whenever there's a new event in our test calendar in Google Calendar, it will automatically create a new task in Todoist. That's how you can automatically sync your Google Calendar and Todoist tasks. Please like our video, or click this button to subscribe to our channel, or click here to see more content from Workload about how you can make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.